Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. In today's video, we are going to tackle one of the most important skill in algebra, that is factorization trinomial. We will solve this complicated concept in a very easy and simple way. Now we will start today's lecture. Now the question number 1 is x raised to power 2 plus 9x plus 18. So you will make the factors of 18 such that when that two numbers are added, it will become 9. So 18 factors are 1 and 18. When you add 1 and 18, it will become 19. So this is not the factor. 2 and 9, which is equal to 11. So this is not a factor. 3 into 6. When you add 3 and 6, it will become 9. So this is the factor. So you will use this x square. 9x will be write as 3x plus 6x plus 18. Just you have break down this. Now in these two terms you will take x as common. So remaining is x plus 3. And in these two terms you will take 6 as common. Remaining is x. 6 into 3 is 18. So x plus 3. Now you will take x plus 3 as common. Remaining is x plus 6. So this is the answer. Question number 2 is x square minus 9x plus 8. Now you will make the factors of 8. When they are added, it will become 9, and use negative sign will both the terms. So factors of 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8 is added, it will become 9. So this is true. X square minus x and minus 8x plus 8. Here you used minus because minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. And this term describe that we use minus sign with the large value. So that's why. X square minus x, you will take x as common. Remaining is x minus 1. Minus 8x and plus 8, you will take minus 8 as common from these two terms, and remaining is x. When you take minus as common, sign inside the bracket will change. So x minus 1. You have x minus 1 as common. Remaining is x minus 8. So this is the answer. Now we will solve part 3, that is x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 6. Now you will make the factors of 6 such that when they are subtracted gives 5. So 1 and 6 when these are subtracted gives 5. So we will write x square. This minus tells us we will use minus with the large value. So minus 6x plus x minus 6. Because plus minus is minus, that's why we will use plus with x. Now in these two terms we will take x common, remaining is x minus 6, and x minus 6 we will take plus 1 common, remaining is x minus 6. So x minus 6 can be taken as common and remaining is x plus 1. This is the answer. Now we will solve part 4, that is x square minus 12x plus 35. You will make the factors of 35 such that when they are added they gives 12. So 1 and 35, which is equal to 36. So 5 and 7, which is equal to 12. So this is the true factor of 35. X square minus 5x minus 7x plus 35. So when you take x as common, remaining terms is x minus 5, and minus 7x plus 35 you will take minus 7 as common, remaining is x. When you take minus as common, inside the bracket signs will be changed, so x minus 5. Now you will take x minus 5 as common and remaining is x minus 7. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 5, that is x square plus 10x plus 21. First of all, you will make the factors of 21 when they are added gives 10. So 1 and 21 becomes 22. When 3 into 7 become 10. So this is right factor. So you will write x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 21. In these two terms you will take x as common, remaining is x plus 7, and plus 3 as common, remaining is x plus 7. So you will take x plus 7 as common and x plus 3. This is the answer. Now we will solve question number 6. 2a square minus 4a minus 6. First of all, you will make this as simple. Take 2 as common, remaining is a square minus 2a minus 3. Now you will make the factors of 3. When they are subtracted, they gives 2. So 1 and 3, when they are subtracted, gives 2. So a square, 1 and 3 are the factors, and you will use negative sign with the large quantity. So minus 3a and plus a. Because minus plus is minus. Minus 3a plus a becomes minus 2a, and when we multiply minus 3 and 1, it will gives minus 3. So now we will take a common from these two terms, remaining is a minus 3, and plus 1 common, we will get a minus 3. A minus 3 is common, so 2 into a minus 3 and remaining is a plus 1. So this is the answer. Now we will solve part 7, that is x square minus 21x plus 90. Now you will make the factors of 90 such that when they are added gives 21. So first of all, 1 into 90, it gives 91. When 90 is divided by 2, it gives 45, which is 47, 33, and when 90 is divided by 5, 18. So 18 plus 5 is 23. So when we divide 90 by 6, we will get 15. So 15 plus 6 is 21. So this is the right factor. We will use this. X square minus 6x minus 15x, because minus minus plus and we use the sign of large value. So minus 6x minus 15x become minus 21x plus 90. Now you will take x as common, remaining is x minus 6, minus 15 as common, remaining is x minus 6. So x minus 6 and x minus 15. This is the answer. Now we will solve question number 8. Question number 8 is x raised to power 2 plus x minus 2. You will make the factors of 2 such that when they are subtracted it gives 1. So 2 into 1. So you will write x square plus 2x minus x, because plus minus minus, and you will use the sign of large value. 2x minus x becomes x minus 2. In these two terms you will take x as common, remaining is x plus 2. Minus x and minus 2 you will take minus 1 as common, remaining is x. And when you take minus as common, inside the bracket all the signs are changed. So x plus 2. X plus 2 is taken as common, remaining is x minus 1. So this is the answer. Now we will solve question number 9, that is t square plus 12t plus 35. You will make the factors of 35 such that when they are added it gives 35. So t square 1 and 35, it will give 36. 5 and 7, it gives 12. So this is the right. So t square plus 70 plus 5t plus 35. Now you will take t as common, remaining is t plus 7, plus 5 as common, remaining is t plus 7. So it gives t plus 7 into t plus 5. This is the answer. Now we will solve question number 10, that is the last. 3y square plus 5y plus 2. Now in all other question the coefficient with square is 1. So here is 3. First of all you will multiply this 3 and 2. 3 and 2 will become 6. So you will multiply, you will make the factors of 6 such that when they are added they gives 5. So 3 and 2. So you will write 3y square plus 3y and plus 2y plus 2. Now you will take 3y as common, remaining is y plus 1, and plus 2 as common, remaining is y plus 1. So y plus 1 will be taken as common and remaining is 3y plus 2. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand all the exercise. Please subscribe Math Solver and also share the videos and tell us in comment section Inshallah, in next video we will solve next exercise. Allah Hafiz.